Okay guys, so magbubukas tayo ng isa sa dalawang booster pack na pinamili natin this morning, right? So kanina yung pool namin medyo like mahina talaga. So hopefully sana itong dalawang to, sana may hits naman lang.
Go na, buksan
Let's
mo
go.
na.
Energy.
Cute yung mga cards ng ano ngayon.
Oo nga.
Mga cards na nakukuha namin.
Hopefully
Actually,
sana.
dyan sa ano namin, sana meron tayong hits for today.
Oh, okay. Trainer.
Again?
Rare lang.
Again?
Okay lang.
Okay.
Papakita ko na lang yung price. So, we have one more booster pack. So, hopefully this time, may hits na. Okay. We have basic energy. Alright. Oh! Nice! Art!
Nice,
Okay, guys.
nice.
This is a good one. Rare.
Yay! Super
Illustrator,
happy!
yes. Huwag mo
Okay na, okay na.
Papakita ko sa yung price, which is good. Sobrang good. Good yung pool. So, see you guys for another one. Mayroon pa kami mga bubuksan. So, ipapakita namin sa inyo. See you guys. Masaya yun. Masaya yun. Panalo.